In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom view in Zoho CRM. To get started, open your Zoho CRM account and make sure you're on the module where you want to organize your records. In this example, we're working with leads, which is a common place to create custom views when you want to sort, filter, or focus on a specific set of data. Once you're inside Zoho CRM, look toward the top of the page. There, you'll see a drop-down menu that usually shows something like All Leads. This menu is important because it controls the current view of the records you're looking at. If you click it, you'll see the available viewing options for that module. From that drop-down, choose the option for creating a new custom view. This is where you begin building a personalized way to display your data. Custom views are especially helpful if you regularly need to see only certain leads, such as records assigned to a particular category, stage, or status. Instead of manually searching every time, you can create a view once and return to it whenever needed. After opening the new custom view screen, you can start customizing your data. This is the part where you define exactly what you want the view to show. Take your time here and adjust the settings based on the information that matters most to your workflow. A well-made custom view can save time and make your CRM much easier to manage on a daily basis. Next, enter a name for your custom view. Try to use a clear and descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later. That way, if you create multiple views over time, you'll immediately know which one to use without needing to open each one. Once the name is entered, continue customizing the view as needed. Review your setup carefully before saving, just to make sure everything looks right and matches the type of records you want to track. When you're done, click Save. Your new custom view will now be available from the same drop-down menu at the top of the Leads page. From there, you can switch to it anytime you want, a faster, more focused way to look at your CRM data. And that's it. That's how to create a custom view in Zoho CRM.